Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Chainlink once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So if you're not following me, please do follow me. Hit that subscribe button. Also like the video if you've not already liked it. Thank you. And get involved in the CoinsKid communities here. All the links are in each and every single video description and on CoinsKid.com. So right now, Chainlink, it's ran into key resistance here and it's beginning to retrace. This is a key level support just there for Chainlink. Let me show you this. Okay, because I think Chainlink might give the game away here if it does something. So that's a key level support for me going forward. If you do start to see Chainlink come down below that, because it's looking for that retest, because you broke out here, you're looking for the retest. If you hold that, fantastic. If you do start to come down and you begin a retracement to this low, which is exactly what's happening now, you're retracing after hitting this high just there. If you retrace and lose this low, it's going to be quite negative, for the markets here. And one thing that we need to get out the habit of doing here for Chainlink is this ABC correction that we've been doing since we've been rolling here in this big leg down. We've been putting in ABC corrections each time we've come down and made a wick. Let me show you. Just there, that's a wick. Just there, that's a wick. And what you did, you put in an ABC correction to the high that you came from. So one thing that would make me really bullish here for Chainlink moving forward, and it would be really bullish for the crypto markets, is if you see Chainlink come up and break that high just there, okay, for Chainlink. So if you start to see Chainlink trading above that level there of around about $18.21, that's an extremely bullish statement from XRP moving from Chainlink moving forward. Sorry. So let's keep an eye on that, because if we do start to negate all this and we roll, all we're doing is putting a series of ABCs in this downtrend. So look, you've got this low here, and what happened? You put an A, a B, and a C leg, okay, and then just there you got this leg here. You got the A, you got the B, and you got the C leg. Now you can determine ABC targets by using Fibonacci. So right now, take a look at this. You've got your A leg, potential B leg, and your C leg, and right now you potentially topped and you're rolling. You're coming in for another impulsive move to the downside. Now if you was to put another impulsive move to the downside, let me show you. These would be your minimal targets, and I did go through these with you yesterday. You've got the 1272 at $4.79, you've got the 1414 at $4.44, and you've got the 1618 at $3.97 there for Chainlink. If it starts to come down and we do start to see a big correction in the markets here, and we're getting a continuation, and this is just another impulsive move down, that would be your minimal target just there, 1272 at $4.79, which would be quite a big correction from here. You're talking around about 45% correction. So will it happen? Who knows? But what we do need to do is stop doing these ABC corrections that are just retracing to the high from which you came from. Do you understand? Because each time that we do it, all we're doing is hitting the 1618 fib. So from there to there, you can see, look at that, 1618 fib began to retrace, lost the low, put an impulsive move to the downside. Again, ABC correction, came up, we met the 1618. If you take from that low just there to that high, you can see you hit the 1618 just there, boom, you came in for your retracement. You were coming down, just like potentially coming down here. You lost support, you lost this low, and when you lost that low, you put in another impulsive move to the downside there for Chainlink. So we need to stop doing this, because at the minute all we're doing is coming down impulsively and correctively like this, okay? Impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective. So we need to stop this. We need to get out of this sort of impulsive move down, and we need to negate it by starting to come back up the stairs, hold support, take out this ABC correction, and start to come back up and retrace to this high. Because if we do start to break that, I'm going to show you exactly where you could potentially go here for Chainlink. If you do start to come up and attack that high there, you could be looking at a minimal 1618 retracement right there, and a retest of that high there, which would be an extremely bullish statement from Chainlink going forward. Okay, so let's keep an eye on this. Again, there's no guarantees, but if you do start to come down and you do start to lose this low, and you take out this low that you're putting in May, and you retrace deeper, because this is all you're doing at the moment, you're retracing. Okay, so it's all about the retracements. So you're coming down, you're retracing. These are your key levels of support, and you can see you've got one on the 382, $7.81, which is this previous resistance. So you've not necessarily backtested support. So if you do start to see something like this for Chainlink, holds this and starts to come up here, that's actually quite bullish, and this could lead to a big push up to this $18.28. If we start to take that out, fantastic. But what you could get there is rejection, start to come back, hold a higher low, and over a long period of time create this real strong bullish reversal pattern, a huge monster ascending triangle. And this is the kind of pattern that we're looking for to put the confirmation of reversal in, and this is what I went through with you yesterday. So I do think you'll get reversal soon, but I wish I could tell you exactly where it is. But we need to see the market structure for that reversal to come into play before I get extremely bullish about Chainlink going forward, and potentially saying, okay, the correction's over right here for Chainlink. So this retracement that you're going through right now, it's really important that you do hold this 382 fib. If you do start to see it coming down, down below that, starting to hit its head and doing something like that, then you're retracing deeply, and what you're doing here, you're no longer retracing, you're going to put a reversal wave in and another impulsive move to the downside, and these would be support targets going forward for Chainlink. But at that point, you're getting really overextended from the weekly time frame here. You're getting really overextended from the key EMA, which in my opinion is a 20. Overextension leads to retracement, basically. You know, whenever you're going up, you retrace. You know, you get really overextended, you come back for support, and it's the same when you're coming down. Really overextended, you come back for resistance, and we've not necessarily had that yet. Okay, so if ever you see Chainlink above $18.21 in this cycle, really bullish. Until then, you sort of trade in the ranges here for Chainlink. Okay, we're looking for this reversal pattern to come into play for Chainlink. Take care, everyone. Hope you enjoyed that little update. All this can be traded on Bybit. You can buy spot, you can go long, you can go short, but this retracement needs to hold these key levels of support that I've shown you at 781 would be a really key area of support for me. You retrace and you start to come up. This here would be really bullish if you did start to see that for Chainlink moving forward. Take care, everyone. Back to another update on Chainlink. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.